Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get salon quality nails at home using press-ons. So if you're ready to save some money and still look fabulous, let's get started. Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding. First things first, I'm going to be doing some housekeeping on my nails. This step is optional, but I'm going to soak my nails in some warm water for about 5 minutes. This is going to help to soften up my cuticles.
A few moments later.
Next, I'm going to take my cuticle remover tool to push my cuticles back and remove the proximal nail fold. This is the skin at the base of your nails that overlaps and covers the nail plate. It's usually slightly lifted and is transparent and white in color. Doing this step allows you to have more foundation space to lay your press-on nails. You want to be careful when doing this step because the cutter is sharp. If at any time this process starts to hurt or you bleed, just stop. Next, you want to gently buff out your natural nails to create a rough surface. This rough surface will give the press-on nail something to grip onto and remove any oils, which can cause the glue not to adhere properly. Next, I'm using a nail dehydrator, which is just going to remove any oils or moisture off from your nail bed. The nails I'm using are the X Coat Tip Medium Brown Coffin Soft Gel Nails. I love this nail set because it matches my skin tone seamlessly and the end results look like I've paid professionally to get them done. You get 150 pieces in this pack. With the right application, these nails can last you up to 2 weeks plus. What I'm doing now is matching the fake nails to my real nails because the sizing needs to be on point. No one should be able to detect that I'm wearing press-on nails at any time. Now that my sizes are laid out, I'm going to be taking my Kiss nail glue. This nail glue has never done me wrong. I really want to try the Beauty Secrets nail glue because I hear that glue does not budge an inch. But I can't find it anywhere in the UK, so if you know where I can get in the UK, please help me out and let me know because the shipping cost from the US to the UK is just crazy. The shipping costs more than the product and I don't have money to waste like that. So how I like to apply my nails is quite simple. What I like to do is take the Kiss brush on nail glue and I like to brush it on my natural nail and place some on the fake nail. And then I make sure that I get the fake nail and center it and just lay it right on top of my cuticle line. And then I press down firmly to remove any air bubbles. I apply pressure for no more than 20 seconds. Sometimes excess glue will seep out from where you've been pressing down on the fake nails, leaving a barrier on your skin. And we don't want that because then people are going to be able to detect that we're wearing press-on nails. We want to give off the illusion that we've been to the salon and we've got our nails professionally done. So when this happens, I just take an acrylic nail brush that has been pre-soaked in some acetone and I just wipe off that excess glue. If you do not have a brush like this, you can use a paper towel or a Q-tip to remove the excess glue. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. This looks like a worker's hand. This looks like a classy bitch's hand. Like, hey daddy. That's what this hand looks like. Boy, if you don't get... You do not need to break the bank to have your nails looking like this. From this to this, baby. On the tips of my nails there's some excess plastic. I'm just going to take my file just to even out the shape. Now you can leave your nails like this, but your press-on nails won't last long. The first thing that will happen is the white tip will just scratch off. So what you need to do is follow these next 3 steps to ensure that your press-on nails last long. For this next step, it's important to protect your skin. I've got these UV protective gloves from Amazon. They're going to shield your skin while we cure the gel products under the UV lamp. Next, we're going to brush on a coat of the foundation base gel builder. This helps to create a bond between the press-on nails and the gel products. Now we're going to cure the base gel under the UV lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. Now I'm brushing on a coat of builder nail gel. A little goes a long way. And now cure this layer under the UV lamp for another 30 to 60 seconds. Alright, this is the last step, so just stay with me a little bit longer because we need to seal in our gel polish with a top coat. This is going to add some shine and durability to our press-on nails. What you want to do is brush on a thin, even layer on top of your nails. This product is thick, so don't overdo it or the surface of your nails will look uneven. In this video, you will see me going back over my nails where I've already put the top coat just to evenly distribute the product because we don't want no lumpy looking nails. And at this point, you already know what to do. Cure your nails for 30 to 60 seconds. And there we have it, salon nails at home for the low. Thank me later. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Why? You enemy of progress. And after. Which hand would you like to scratch your back with? I'm joking.